What's going on, guys? So it's 2 days till we take the car in for SEMA. It's not done. It's not even close. For those who don't believe me, it is November 1st at 9:47 a.m. We need to be at the convention center sometime around 4 or 5 on Sunday. We don't have a huge list, and I keep saying we because it's just me today. So I got a lot to do. What do we have to do? Well, we have to put on the new MAgnaflow exhaust, rec speed spoiler, adjust the coilovers, install the new HRE wheels, Cusco harness bar. We have to fully detail the car. We did have the car wrap, as you can see in the background. We need to put the carbon fiber lip kit on, which doesn't actually come to town until tomorrow, mid to late afternoon. Awesome. And the bumper takes roughly an hour to reinstall. We need to get the calipers painted, which may or may not happen, just depends on everything else. It's kind of like one of those last second things. Got to make a whole bunch of logos for all the products and all the sponsors and us. Reinstall the rear bumper. It is on right now, but it was just so we could get it back to the shop. SEMA Crunch 2019. Now I'm not gonna be able to record all of this or how to install certain things, but we will come back to the few things that we have put on, and I'm gonna try and do a couple install videos for a few of these, but as of right now, I'm gonna get the car in the air and start getting after this stuff. Oh, buddy. Holy piping Batman. Look at that. Look at all those T-bolt clamps. Actually, they're V-band clamps, but they're still T-bolt. That one looks like some instructions. Middle section. The resonator. Look at that. Look at that. Carbon. Yeah. Ooh. Looks so good. So these are for when you just want to straight pipe the car. You can take the mufflers out and you have these to go in their place. Yeah. Straight pipe the car? I don't know, maybe. And this is really cool. MAgnaflow sends you a little plate to tie in the rear 2 pipes, so it keeps everything straight and even. And then you get 2 bad boys here. So you get a 3.5 inch and you get a 3 inch. What do we do? 3.5 or 3? Which one? Cusco harness bar. We don't have harnesses, but it's one of those things that we have.